he came over there. We had us some good old ribs. Look out, look out. I want some hot chocolate, man.
I have one prepared.
You got one prepared?
Right there.
Let me get it.
Would you like it with whipped cream and chocolate drizzle?
Whipped cream and yeah. Is that extra? Wait a minute, is that extra?
Yes.
What?
$4.
$4?
Yeah.
I'm buying a whole box.
Normally it'd be $3, so it's just $1 more.
Hey, miss, I got a complaint. $4 for hot chocolate, too much.
No, hang on. That's if you want the whipped cream.
I want the whipped cream.
$4.
Is it 4? Miss, that's how much the box costs.
How much is a regular? 3?
Yeah, it's supposed to been 2 regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, y'all just, miss, y'all need to do some
Hey, pay $3.
Yeah.
I'll make you one. I'll make you one.
You gonna make it for me?
Because you're one
You
of our
so
faithful
sweet.
customers. I'll
Oh, I'm gonna pay 4 now.
No, give you 3. Just $3.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay 4, y'all.
I'll still make you the
She
one.
said I'm one of her
And
best
we're getting
customers.
complaints that the hot chocolate's
Miss, ain't
$4.
ain't $4 for some hot chocolate with the
Toppings?
man. That's higher than the
You get chocolate and you get peppermint bits. Do you want them?
Nah, that's more than the Chick-fil-A Sunday.
Now we put 2 packets in it, so it's extra chocolate.
That's more than a Chick-fil-A shake with the whipped cream and cherry on top and the chocolate chip peppermint flavoring and ice cream.
A lot of bulk. They buy everything in like extreme bulk.
I see all the chocolate back there. Y'all sell 4 cups, you gonna pay for all the boxes back there.
Guys, I need some whipped cream and some chocolate over here.
Man, miss. I'm finna tell everybody now, y'all. You don't want me to tell it? Okay, I ain't gonna tell nobody. Okay, making a special.
Yeah, the regular one's only $3.
Let us show
Okay.
you why it's special. Go ahead.
Let me
Look
see
at
why
the
it's
shop.
packing.
You look it up.
Yeah,
Reason why it is
yeah.
a
Tell me
$4
why it's
hot
special.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Well, you get 2 packs of
Oh, you get 2 packs.
and look at all that whipped
Oh, all that whipped cream. Yeah, that is. Let me see. Oh, yeah, he whipped it up for me.
cream. Rip it up.
Whip it up. You gotta
it
give $4 worth now.
up. That's right. Yeah, we gotta get that chocolate syrup on there.
Oh, they put the syrup on it.
Yeah.
I don't even need that much of that, but yeah, let me see.
And if,
Oh, it ain't. Y'all running out.
if you want it really special, we got peppermint.
Oh, y'all got peppermint?
Peppermint.
What?
It actually said it's really good. It tastes amazing. It makes a big difference.
Oh, it tastes amazing?
It tastes amazing.
What? Make mine taste amazing too then. You sure it's amazing?
It is.
With the
With the peppermint on it, it's amazing. You just put it.
Look, give me the peppermint. I want everything you got. Give me everything.
Open it and just pop
Yeah,
it
just
on
open it and pop it on there. Oh, and you say that make it amazing.
there. It makes it amazing when it melts.
Okay. What about my... I thought I was getting a cherry on top, man. Y'all, where the cherries at? Huh? No, I don't want no cherry. All hot side. I don't even really like cherries.
Give me the cherry, guys.
I don't need one, man.
No, but we really do.
I don't need no cherry. I'm finna go, miss. I ain't what?
I'm showing you what we have.
That's a mess. Oh yeah. I don't need no cherry, miss.
We are live. He is live streaming us, so listen
Yeah.
to our professional behavior.
Okay, professional
These are
behavior.
our 3 teenagers we got. They're
Uh-huh.
13 and they are learning.
Okay.
And cherry on top.
Oh yeah, that's it right there, miss.
So look
I think you
out,
put one of them
Gracie.
cherries
Come
right there on
over,
top of there.
Cherry on top.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about what else we can use on that.
I think that's all you need.
Chocolate syrup. If you want a cherry, we'll give you one.
Okay, I don't need one. Thank you.
Guys, look, I'm gonna put this right
Thank you. Oh, hey! My marshmallows.
We don't got none.
What?
We don't got no marshmallows.
No marshmallows. Oh my God. That's an empty bottle, y'all.
I'm just talking.
Huh?
What do y'all do for Thanksgiving?
I don't know what I'm gonna do, miss. I'm gonna eat something, miss.
Enjoy your family
I'm gonna enjoy 'em.
and be thankful.
I'm thankful, miss. Oh,
I just
thank
wanna
you,
let
miss.
You know, since we are live, I
Yeah. What you want to let me know, miss?
I want people to know that God is good.
They knew that already, miss.
And if there's somebody out there that doesn't know the Lord, come over to my hot dog cart and let me tell you about Jesus.
Okay.
What he's done for my life. Okay.
Oh, okay. Well, then they didn't know about that now. Y'all can go over to a trailer.
If you want to know, just come over to the hot dog cart and I'll pray with you if you need prayer.
Oh, you'll pray with them?
If you need prayer, you need help with anything.
Oh, yeah. Well, miss. Okay.
Because you know God is good.
Yeah, he good.
He's done a lot for us, and he's changed my life.
Oh, yeah, he
You know
changed.
that hot chocolate?
Yeah. And then get you one of them.
Well, you know, just break some. Hey guys, we should break some of these little bushes off to fit like on the side of it. Ask Emily, cause
I'm through. I already got my peppermint. He already said that. You said what it do?
How do you do
tastes-
peppermint?
it's
Do you mix
amazing.
it up
It's
in there?
amazing. That's what it is.
It just,
Just mix it in there
whenever
and
it
eat it
gets
last.
melt, whenever it melts, it'll taste amazing.
Oh, I gotta wait till it melt.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, miss, make sure y'all order some marshmallows. Yeah, they need some
That's like a
marshmallows.
must.
You can't. Yeah, y'all put that on the list. And some paydays and some Butterfingers. Y'all ain't got no Butterfinger in here. Y'all ain't got no Butterfinger. That's Bart Simpson. That's all the kids. That's like the best candy. Y'all ain't got no. Man. Yeah. Y'all ain't got no candies with peanuts besides a yellow pack of M&M's. We don't want no Laffy Taffy. We want some Butterfingers. Mama. That's what I'm trying to tell
I
you.
could go buy Butterfinger and crunch it up myself at the house in a bag and
Oh,
put it
yeah?
on your topping.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Don't forget your turkey. Oh, we bought all the employees' turkeys tonight.
Oh yeah.
All of the employees tonight.
I've been working for y'all, miss.
They're getting turkeys for Thanksgiving.
Miss, I've been putting Yello Belly. I got people all over the world wanting to go to Yello Belly. People in Virginia. You know I be traveling, right? You know I be traveling. Then I be having. I got people all the way in Australia. People in Dubai. People everywhere. I'm over here advertising for Yello Belly. Miss, you know she won't even let me in free. Miss, they let me, man, miss.
You're supposed to be talking to Eason.
Eason won't even when I start talking to him, he start 434. What do you say on the radio? He get on the radio, miss. That's why I'm telling you so you can tell
He's
him.
over there having a party right now. He's got his radio on. Do you see him? Go and say out to him.
Oh,
There.
he over there. Let me go.
He's got his music going on.
I ain't finna mess with him, miss. I'm finna go catch another race, miss. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. What?
Right here.
Oh, he
Say hi
is?
to him.
Come say hi to him. Where he at?